What is your mantra of your fitness, Ritik? How do you look so fit and good all the time?
Well, I look so fit and good all the time. Not all the time. You have to, put in your effort and सब जानते हैं कि what is good and what is bad for you. They just don't, not able to be consistent. I also go through that. कभी कभी I'm very consistent, कभी कभी I let go. But what is important is that you keep trying to get back to the consistency. सबके साथ होता है. We all get committed for a time and then let go and then. So actually the mantra or the secret is consistency. To achieve that is all you need.
So, what do you think about acro? How is it set up? How do you like it?
I always feel that the place is not as important as you yourself or the person who's training you. So because Mustafa I have trained with for about a year now and realized that there was a lot more to learn, and I'm very happy that I got to learn a lot more things from him. बॉडी बिल्डिंग का क्या है, नॉर्मली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड मैं सीखता था कि यू हैव टू गो टू द जिम एंड डू वेट ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑल दैट, तो बहुत सारा आइसोलेशन वर्क होता था. आजकल दैट सिस्टम एंड दैट कंडीशन माइंडसेट इज़ फिनिश्ड. अभी इट इज़ मोर अबाउट योर कोर फिटनेस. इट इज़ मोर अबाउट, एंड विच इज़ द राइट way to be actually, is about using your whole body as one and not just having big biceps or big chest. Doesn't matter, doesn't look good anymore. It doesn't, I mean, at least for me personally, I am more about calisthenics, crossfitting, crossfitting. So and Mustafa is somebody who took me on that path, and I'm very very thankful and very grateful. I think he is one of the best trainers that we have in the country. And what is good about him is that he's still willing to learn more. And I have enjoyed myself. He's very dedicated, and matlab, he's so good that I have advised him that only pick your clients according to their dedication level. So you judge first that ye banda, is he going to do for 2 weeks and then leave it, or is he going to go all the way? Don't just pick clients because of name or because of the money. Pick good clients because you have a talent. आपके पास जो talent है, you should respect that and choose your own clients. Choose the best and have few, but make a change, make a difference in their lives. उससे क्या होता है कि you build more examples, you build more experience, and I'm just very very happy to have found him in India. Because normally, you look for such trainers abroad. ऐसी मतलब एक instinct है कि वहाँ पे they might know more. But I'm very happy to have found him here. And he's built a great gym. And the gym, अगर आप देखो तो it is not a conventional gym. Conventional gym में सारे जो weight training equipment है वो होते हैं, machines होती हैं. This gym is more about using your entire body as one and getting strong. So I'm going to definitely be here. At least once or twice a week I will try and come to this gym. It's a very nice, colorful change from my gym. So yeah, I'm very very happy. I wish Mustafa all the best. He's an incredible guy, and his entire team is incredibly educated, and I'm very very happy to be here.
So, any message for young generation on fitness and something?
Stay fit, yeah, stay fit, and that is the most important thing in your life. If you're not fit, there is a lot of chances for you to miss out on a lot of opportunities to be happy. क्योंकि अगर आपकी health ठीक ना हो तो all the happy moments also become sad. तो अगर आप सोचो तो आपकी लाइफ में जो सेलिब्रेशन के मोमेंट्स हैं या हैप्पी मोमेंट्स हैं जहाँ आपने सेलिब्रेट किया है या डांस किया है या कुछ किया है, तो इफ़ यू गो बैक एंड यू सी दैट all those moments में your health was good. Your health has to be good. So उससे you can derive the fact that if your health is not good, you will not be able to celebrate so much in life. So stay fit is very very important.
So, So we are eagerly waiting for you to all the best for your upcoming movie, Kabil.
Thank you.
We're eagerly waiting, and your fans also are eagerly waiting for. So all the best from me, my team, and your fans, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
ओ सही है एकदम सामने ऋतिक सर है राइट कॉर्नर ऋतिक सर यप एकदम सामने स्टार्ट फ्रॉम हियर राइट
मैं कहूँ मेरे आगे
Thank you.